indebtedness. As Bundelkhand battles this harsh reality, the need of the hour is employment, work that will fetch some money and in turn food. Is India's flagship rural job scheme MGNREGA raising to the challenge? Archana Shukla gets you this ground report from Bundelkhand in the fourth part of a special series, What's Ailing Rural India?
Shri Raj Kiran cycles 15 kilometers every day to look for daily work at the nearby town in Narayani block in district Banda. Luck doesn't always favor him.
महीने में 2-4-6 दिन अच्छा काम मिल गया तो मिल गया, नहीं ऐसे 150 15-25 बनते हैं और चले जाते हैं.
As the farmer hurriedly cycled past us, we decided to go to his village, Sulkhan Kapurva. Such slogans and signs are a common sight in this village, but jobs aren't. Villagers showed us their MGNREGA job cards. The last work listed in these documents dates back to 2013. And then there were other job cards that were absolutely blank. Not a single day of work listed.
2013 में एक सड़क बनी थी.
2013 के बाद कोई काम नहीं हुआ. 2015 है.
With the monsoon playing foul, farming has taken a hit. Looming hunger and a growing debt burden is forcing many in the village to sell off their lands and migrate permanently.
जाएंगे दिल्ली, बम्बई, कहाँ जहाँ काम मिलेगा तो वहाँ जाएंगे.
The spate of departures has intensified, almost akin to a mass exodus.
Most families, most men with their families have moved out to other parts of either UP or Delhi and Mumbai to seek work. Who are remaining here in this village are either old people or women.
The scene was similar in Karari village in Chitrakoot. The village was inhabited when we visited, but only for voting in the recently concluded Panchayat elections in Uttar Pradesh. It will soon wear a deserted look again.
पुणे जाएंगे.
क्या काम खोजेंगे वहाँ पे?
वहाँ पे कुछ ये टाइल्स वगैरह का है, ऐसे ये बेरोजगारी का कुछ भी काम करेंगे उधर.
और मैं सूरत कमाने जाता हूँ, तो वहाँ साड़ी छापते थे हम लोग.
Desperation has driven some to work in the nearby private stone crushing industries. Villagers say work conditions are exploitative, but they have no choice. According to government data, in 2014-15, Uttar Pradesh provided just 24 days of MGNREGA work. This year, till December, each household has only got 19 days of work. Even those who get jobs are not certain of getting paid as corruption is rampant.
काम करवा लिया जाता है, पैसा 3 महीने 6 महीने बाद मिलता है.
अच्छा,
पता नहीं वो कब आता है, कब गवर्नमेंट देती है.
पेमेंट जो बोलते हैं कि ऑनलाइन होता है, तो उसमें कोई
वो सब कहने के लिए होता है. 100 रुपया दिया, जिसके खाते में डाल दिया, 200 दिया, और काम कोई करता है और पैसा किसी के खाते में जाता है.
The administration agrees that there are several roadblocks.
ये जानकारी आई है कि शायद इस समय फंड्स की क्रंच है, तो पैसे के पेमेंट में डिले हो रहा है. बट द फंड्स, वी डोंट हैव द फंड्स. हमें पेमेंट नहीं करना होता है, वो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया से पैसा जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट को आता है.
Despite budgetary allocation being increased in the last budget, MGNREGA continues to be riddled with inconsistencies, failing to provide relief to drought-hit farmers. Instead, this rural job scheme seems to be fueling just what it was supposed to stop: migration of rural workforce to urban centers, leading many to question its relevance. With camera person Sunny Paswan and Lalit Sen in Bundelkhand, Archana Shukla.
In its drought relief program, the Uttar Pradesh government is now proposing to increase the number of work days provided under the flagship scheme to 150. Looking at the track record, this will be just on paper, but in the fifth part of a series tomorrow, we'll find out how the crisis is affecting young India. With that, time for a